Along with the two new stars in the Galaxy also come the new super rugged Galaxy XCover Pro, designed for outdoors, the field and the enterprise users like in manufacturing, retail, construction and logistics. This smartphone is MIL STD 810G rated. STD? Not what you're thinking. It means military standard 810G. Maybe the G is for gangster, I don't know. It's a specification that guarantees durability of the device and reliability and protection against extreme altitude, humidity and other severe environmental conditions, to the point where you call the device combat ready. It is also IP68 water and dust resistant, drop to concrete resistant of up to 1.5 meters without a case, with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protected screen. Here is that Samsung partnered with Microsoft to put in the new push to talk feature on the XCover Pro, giving it a walkie-talkie capability. This will come in real handy for project collaboration and field workers. XCover Pro comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 4050 mAh removable battery with 15 watts fast charging, USB Type-C connector, 6.3-inch LCD display, Android 10, 8-core CPU, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, dual camera at the back and selfie camera, loudspeaker, headphone jack, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 2 flavors of dual nano SIM and a single nano SIM version, no mention whatsoever of 4G support, blah 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 blah. If you need a full review for this phone, please talk to me in the comment. Glad to do that for you. It's also expected to launch in the first quarter of 2020. Until the next one, cheers.